You made 10% ETH.
Yeah, I just got a message about that as well. Some guy said he wants to use our robot.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So
I need to go to the barbers, mate. I look terrible, bro.
The barber is still closed in.
I need to go to the barber, bro. Barber's not closing. It's not open. I'm getting a sneaky haircut tomorrow. I'm getting a sneaky one.
You sneak in the back door?
Yeah, I'm getting a sneaky haircut tomorrow, bro. Still my head in. So what's been going on, bro? The markets. How you feeling about the pullback?
Nah, you know me. I'm sitting there cool. Wanted to live in California to buy the pullback. Like, just imagine being able to sleep through all that mess.
Yeah.
It's easier than having to deal with that during the day, I guess.
Exactly.
How did you deal with the pullback?
Yeah, I didn't care, bro. I made ether. Every time the markets pull back, we make ether, so it's cool.
Yeah. I actually made some BNB as well, and BNB is looking rather bullish right now, I think.
How many trades did the BNB bot take?
It only took 2 trades yesterday, so it was a bit less than my BTC bot, but that's fine. Let's see if I can pull up a chart here. Oh, share screen. This one. BNB. BNB UCT. Yeah, I had it there.
This is nice. That looks good.
So yeah.
Scroll down a bit though. Make it a bit wider. The chart's too. No, not like that.
No, like
zoom
this.
in a bit. Zoom in a bit. It's too high up. Yeah.
So basically, what this is it's a nice setup here. So you have break of the highs and the impulse up. Oh shit! Highs here, impulse, and you have like the first candle that retraces, and you have a counter-trend candle, and then you have 1, 2 candles that takes out these lows, and then you have a bullish candle hopefully here today. So
yeah. I'm not worried. I was looking at last night.
For me, this is set to do push it even further. What about last night?
Yeah, last night I was looking at some on-chain analysis stuff, and there was obviously everyone was scared, thinking that the markets were going to head down.
Yeah.
So I was looking at some of the analysis, and you can see the different denominations of accounts. So you got accounts that have got 10K, accounts that have got 100K, accounts that have got 1 million, 10 million. Cool. And we was looking at a chart, and it showed you literally all the people that had tiny accounts, like 1,000, 10,000.
Yeah.
They were selling their Bitcoin, and all the people that had big money, millions, tens of millions, they were buying. I could see it last night about 8 o'clock. I could see them all buying. So yeah, I knew it was bullish anyway, but it's nice to see the orders coming in, you know.
Yeah, and on the way both in 13 and in 17, if you like take Bitcoin, for instance, and you want to go back and see what happened in 17, let's hope this is bits done. So 19, 16. So 17, top is up here, 20K, right? Even though you had something similar happening before Christmas as well in 16 as we have had in 20. So you had actually a move here before Christmas that was pretty big, like 50% move. And then you had also a hard January. There was a hard January this year as well. And then you had a move. And on the way here, you have a lot of pullbacks that are 24%, Even this candle here is 15%. This pullback here, 20%. This pullback here.
What year is that there? 17.
This is 17. This is May 17. So yeah.
Okay.
This pullback here, also big one.
Yeah.
30%. So if you want to take this pullback as well, but this is more like a, what should I say? No, it's not that, but it's more like something moving like this, 30%. So it's a lot of 30% like retracements.
Yeah, 30% is normal. 30% is normal.
38. So I will not be skeptical yet. This will happen probably a couple more times before, or 3 or 4 times before we hit some highs.
This will happen every month. This will happen. You got to think about it as well. Like even if you just look at the data and you don't look at the chart. So our robot trades every time there's a pullback, right?
Yeah, that's true.
And we get trades every week or every 10 days or whatever. So there's pullbacks every week, 2 weeks. It might not be 100%. Sorry, it might not be 30%. It might be 10, 15% or whatever. But there's always pullbacks. There's always corrections.
Always corrections, and they happen all the time. And you can even see that, like if you scroll to this date, that you have pullbacks in BTC, even though it's on a run of its own. So here you have 10%. So there's no reason to be afraid to see this. And what also makes me like confident is when I see both this wick here, because that's what's bad during this week. See that break, and I see this week, that I know there's a lot of buyers down here. So there's a lot of orders resting there. So there's no chance, I think, that we're gonna do this. But who knows? But I'm thinking more we can move like a bit sideways now in BTC.
Yeah. So what do you think? We're just going to be correcting?
Yeah, correcting like this. So we get something like this as well. And we go. That's the logical way to think about it, because now the money is really flowing into BTC. So
yeah, there's a lot of money coming into Bitcoin, bro. Like even I've got a group. So even someone in my group was like, he's still asking if the market's bullish. I'm like, of course the market's bullish. MicroStrategy just bought 19,000 Bitcoin.
Yeah,
literally 19,000.
When you see this wicks here as well to the bottom, that's also a good sign and a good indication that there's a lot of buying there. I suggest if we go back to 2018, it doesn't look like this. December, no. So December 29th, that's what's top. So you have a huge wick down here. It's something similar as today, and then you go. It's more of a corrective move. The first move is big and then it corrects. So actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles a day on a row, daily candles. I don't think we'll see that in a while.
Yeah,
as I said, for BNB as well, I think that there's huge upside in this, and I think that's a good thing that we maybe could talk about, is the BNB coin on the Binance Smart Chain, because that's really starting to prove its worth. Agree?
Yeah. I think you're right. Yeah.
So BNB is Binance's like utility coin.
Yeah. So BNB. Yeah. So BNB originally, what it was I remember I had BNB to start off with, and it was they just had a coin so that you could get a discount on fees.
Yeah.
So I had it. We all had it. I think my friend had 17,000 of it at one stage. But anyway, and now they've obviously got their own chain, which is obviously competing with Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, etc., etc. So yeah, Binance is like the new what's happening now, and obviously a lot of people don't want to pay because they don't want to pay gas fees. They're building on the Binance chain.
Yeah.
But Ethereum gas fees are actually going to come down now as well. They're coming down. Ethereum gas fees are coming down. But literally, let's say you put a transaction through on Ethereum, it might cost you $50.
Yeah.
Binance, that same transaction is going to cost you nothing, like 10 cents or something.
Yeah.
It's going to cost you 10 cents. It's not going to cost you anything. So that's what it's about, you know?
Yeah.
Let me show you what I'm looking at. Let me just one sec. 1 second. One sec. Share screen. Tab. There you go. Right. So what I'm looking at, for me personally, get out of that.
You actually got IOTX trade now.
Who, me?
Dent trade. Did you see that?
Who, me?
Yeah, the bot fired a Dent trade.
Not now. That wasn't now. That was last night.
No, now.
Who, me? I'm not in it.
It's closed out in profit.
Already?
Yeah. It was easy yesterday and Dent now.
What, it took a trade just now?
Yeah. I have it like 2 hours ago, so yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I did see it. That was last night, I think.
No, that was today, I think. But anyways, what are you looking at?
Yeah, Ave, this is what I was telling someone to yeah, so this is what I was looking at. Ave. This is what I was looking at. So basically a retest of here. This is a good area to get in. I gave it a signal like yesterday in the group, I think. Or on Twitter as well. So yeah, that's a good place to buy right now. Boom. I also had Bake. Bake is another coin.
Yeah.
So I think this is gonna.
What's that Bake token? I don't know anything about it.
It's an exchange, basically. It's an exchange. It's a decentralized exchange. It's the same as a like Uniswap.
Yeah, Uniswap.
Same as Uniswap.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah. So I'm expecting this is Bake. I'm expecting this to go. See that? I'm expecting something like that. So that's what we're going to get next. That's Bake. So if anyone's watching, that's a good. I'm not actually in this right now, but I'll be looking to buy it anywhere here to go long. So that's Bake. What else am I looking at? Ocean.
I'm actually in Bake.
Are you in Bake? Yeah.
No.
This is Flamingo, same sort of thing. This is Flamingo. All these coins here that have pulled back like 50% or whatever. Look, that pulled back 50%. That's a good buy. Do you know what I mean? Good value.
Yeah.
CRV, one sec. Let's have a look. I'm in this as well. This has pulled back a lot, man. This is a good trade right now. I got in this as well. This is a good trade. I got in this. I don't know if I just showed you this, but yeah. This is a nice break, retest. That's going to go. There's a coin this morning. I think it was it Rune? It just recovered already. Let's have a look.
Yeah, Rune's recovered pretty good.
Rune recovered.
So Rune actually almost took out their highs, like all-time highs, but it went like it's been going down now for a couple of hours, but everything has been.
Yeah.
So
and that's it. So Rune.
Like I have this zone marked out at 430. I don't know if it will go that low, but I reckon Rune is a good buy soon. Could be as well.
That's that. What else? What else we got? Link. Everything's just in a correction right now. This is like an ideal time. If you've got money to put in the markets, this is like the best time to get in.
Yeah, RSR as well, looking pretty
RSR. It is with RSR, yeah, it's a good project, but it just doesn't give you the gains that it's supposed to be giving. Look, what it does is, look, you'll get 100% net. All right, cool, that's 200%. Cool. But yeah, you get 100% there, then it just pulls all the way back.
Yeah.
That's my issue with it. It's just annoying. Like, look, the way it goes up, pulls back, up, pulls back. Not all the way, but if you get other projects, like, look, if I show you, let's say DOT, for instance. See how DOT just goes up?
Yeah.
DOT, continuous, yeah? It moves up. If you get Link, yeah? Link, all right, cool. Link moves up solid. What else? Let's have a look at KSM. Did I see how this moves up?
Yeah, it moves.
It just moves. But then you get RSR, and all it wants to do is go up, come back, go up, come back, and it doesn't actually make a lot of progress. That's my problem with it. It's still a good project, and I'm being impatient because you know what I'm like. But
yeah,
there's got like you got to go where the money is, mate. That's what you got to do. You got to go where the money is. So if I was to buy right now, RSR, absolutely. RSR, boom, yeah. RSR, absolutely. That's a good project. What else was I looking at? What else was I looking at? One sec. What else have we got here? Band. So look at band. Yeah, it's another one. All the markets look the same at the moment, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
They're all the same. So
I expect though, like as you see, like every time your session opens, like a bit of a dip before like the perfect time is maybe to get in around like in 1 hour, like GMT 15 or something like that, because I really expect the market to like dip a bit more when US opens. It usually tends to do that. So
yeah. See, what I've noticed as well, people see a red candle and they get all like scared and they get apprehensive and stuff, and they think to themselves, "Oh, it's going to go up. It's going to come down just because it's red." That's part of the reason why I don't have any color on my candles, you know?
Yeah.
Because it just gives you a bias. Like if you've got it like that, it looks exactly the same. So look, it's pushing up. It's pulled back, boom, it's going to push up. That's it. That's all you need to worry about. People are looking at candles. They're on the 15-minute time frame. Look, All right, let's go to Bitcoin. Look, this is what I was trying to say to people yesterday. This is no different to that. Do you know what I'm saying?
No, it's the same thing.
It's the same thing. This is what's going to happen. What's going to happen right now? This is going to go like that. It's going to go dush, 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 and that's it. See you later. Same thing. But everyone seems to think, oh, it's going to drop. It's going to go to the bottom. It's not going to go to the bottom. There's still people. MicroStrategy have bought. I can't remember how many Bitcoin it was today. I think it was 16,000 Bitcoin. Like, it's not going down.
I also have... switch the screens here. So this is a 1 minute chart. I can shift the chart. This is the open of the US session right here. The moment New York wakes up, so it just does that before it takes off. So you could enter here fine, but here this is like 20 minutes later. You'd be better off waiting for a bit of a pull.
Yeah,
down here.
Exactly.
That's like, if you just want to trade that's 8% gain and you're not holding the trade at all. You're holding it for an hour. I guess we can go back and see that it does this, like, what should I say? Nice.
I don't know you could do that.
You can do.
I don't know you could do that. Ethereum. It's nice.
So market opens. Where does the market open? Should say open? 3:30, 15 here. Here. So usually, yeah. Pulls back a bit and then decides to go and do its thing. So it's usually like, if you trade futures or whatever you trade, it's usually a good thing to like wait for something to happen after. That's 3:30 my time, but it should be like 2:30 GMT.
Nice. So what, you think 3:30 GMT is just going to go long?
I think it will go short first for some minutes, and then like I'll take a leverage position, and I guess I will take Rune now today, because I think Rune is looking pretty.
Are you going to buy it today? Are you going to buy Bitcoin today?
Nah, I'm buying Rune.
Rune, yeah. What leverage?
So, with leverage here, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
This is my zones that I put on, like in the start of like around here, I guess, with double tops and double bottoms here. So I just want to see how well it respected it. So as you can see,
how much? What's that percentage drop there? That drop from where? Yeah.
This?
No, yeah, from there, from where you've drawn your line. Yeah, to there. Yeah.
From where price are now until the zone.
10%, yeah, that's all right. So you can literally do 10x leverage. Well, what's that? 10% drop?
Yeah, so 10%. I don't think we're going to get that.
Yeah, pretty well. You could do You could do 5x leverage with that.
I'll probably do 10.
Yeah, you could do 10. If it drops, you could do 10. Yeah. Me personally, though, if I'm going to do leverage, I wouldn't go anything above 5 just to be safe.
Yeah. But I trade only with like half the account.
Yeah, no, you're trading with, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. It doesn't matter.
So basically, but it could be like that there's something here as well. Could be. So that's maybe like 6 or something. No, wrong one. Yeah, 6.5.
Yeah.
You can easily get that.
Yeah, you could do a 5x leverage position at the bottom there.
So the way I'm thinking I'm playing it is that so then I'll do the long position here and hopefully let me see. I'll put a stop order here. Maybe target the highs or something like that.
Yeah.
That's 28%. And then with leverage, you can add that up yourself.
Yeah, that's good. Just before I forget, Joe, there's a couple of projects that are coming out that you need to get in. Not you personally, but we need to get in. So there's Unizen, Unizen. So there's that. That's an exchange on the Binance Smart Chain. That's going to be huge. Every exchange is at $20 right now. Every exchange goes to $20. Yeah, so you need to get in that as soon as it comes out. It's not out yet. They've done a private sale, but it's not out yet for the public. So you need to get in that. There's also another project on the Binance Smart Chain which is called Zend Finance. Zend Finance is basically the biggest crypto bank in Africa.
Yeah.
It's basically the biggest crypto bank in Africa. And then what they do is lending, yielding. It's like Aave, but in Africa. Yeah. And it hasn't come out yet, and it's going to be that's going to do 100x eventually. So that's going to be good. It's Bitcoin lending in Africa. So it's going to be decent.
What's Unistake?
And it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Say again.
What's your thoughts on Unistake? What's that?
Unistake. When did that come out? Yesterday.
I know Davis is asking. What's your thoughts on Unistake?
Oh, Unistake. I don't know much about it, to be fair. I can assume I've got a friend that's in it. I'm assuming it's decent, but I don't know too much about it, to be honest with you, about Unistake. I'm not sure what protocol it's on, what it does. I can imagine it's a staking platform, right, Davis? I can imagine it's a staking platform. So it will do numbers. Let me have a look. Let me just try and pull it up. It's not Unis. Let me just look at it 1 second. See if I can see what it is. Unistake. Unistake Finance, yeah? Yeah. Unistake Finance. Okay, Unistake Finance. Yeah, I'll have to have a look at it, but yeah, I can't see why it's not gonna. It's paying good rates as well. It's doing 50 trust what 15% APR. Yeah, Joe. The good thing is about DeFi, yeah, it's like if you put your money in the bank or whatever it is you put in the bank, you're only getting like 2% a year, 1%. Whereas on DeFi, you're actually getting 15% a year. It's crazy. People are paying a lot of these companies are paying 15% a year, 20%. I've got a friend now who I think he's making 0.1% a day. Yeah, he's basically making 0.1% a day, I think. So basically every month he's making like 3% gains on his coins, which I think is really good. I think it's really good. So yeah, it's pretty much that. Let's have a look at Let me look at Litecoin. What was Litecoin doing before all this? I remember everyone was getting excited over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pulled right back into my area. Look. It's pulled right back to where I wanted it. Lovely. So that's going to go long for. That's actually a really good buy. You know that.
Looks nice.
It's a really good buy. Just let this be a lesson to you as well, guys. Look, so this went up from here, yeah, and it took 10 days, but 10 days of gains was wiped out in 2 days. So just let that be a lesson to you. If the market decides to go like this, yeah, and you get up here, you could start using a trailing stop loss up here. So when the market pulls back, You don't have to sit in it again. You know, that's what I would do. That's what I would do to protect some profits, because these markets, they're starting to move a bit like Forex, and they're just pulling back a little bit too much. Like if you look, that's a 30% correction. It's a 30% correction. So as I would say, what's this here? What's this little gains here? That's 100% gain. Cool. So let's say once the market starts getting to 80%, 100% gains again on the next leg up, you perhaps start using a trailing stop loss. That's what I would do.
Yeah, makes sense.
That's what I'm going to be doing.
Martin is asking, sorry about the question. There's no silly questions, but thank you for asking. But what are your thoughts on Ripple medium to long term?
Ripple.
When is this? When it has sorting out this
case? Yeah.
Case against them.
Yeah. So basically, Ripple is Ripple's not going to go anywhere. It's going to be a good coin. Ripple will prevail. Like it will go. It will do what it has to do. It will make loads of money and all that stuff. So, and the worst case scenario for Ripple is they get a fine. That's the worst case scenario. The SEC do not shut companies down. All they want is money. They go after people. Tether. You see Tether yesterday. SEC went after them. They had an 18 million fine. They paid it. Boom. Done. Forgotten about now. That's what Ripple's. That's what can happen to Ripple. Ripple can get a fine. They can pay it. It might be like 50 mil, 20 mil. Boom. Done. And that's it. There's no need to worry about it. You just need to get in it. And that's it. Hold it. I still think Ripple's going to go back to previous high and higher. $5. I think. I wouldn't get in Ripple now because I just don't trust it. Me personally, I think there's other opportunities. There's other opportunities to take. What's the point in getting in Ripple now? What's the price of it? 60 cents.
Now Ripple is at 47 cents or something like that.
Yeah. So let's say 47 cents. Let's say it's going to go to $5. Yeah, that's 10x. You can get a 10x of Bake. You can get into Bake right now. You can get into Ocean right now. You can get into Lisk. If you look at Lisk, yeah, LSK /USD, that is 24x back to all-time highs. I think. Last time I checked, I don't know about the project now. I'm not too familiar with the project, but if you're just chasing money, yeah. I haven't got the data, but this has been up here somewhere before. It's been up to like $40 or something like that. So yeah. So it's all about opportunity cost. I wouldn't bother wasting my time with Ripple when you can get money elsewhere. Go and buy XLM. Like they haven't got a lawsuit. XLM is going up. You know what I mean? Let me put up XLM quickly. Yeah, I mean, what's the point in Ripple? This is the same price as Ripple, yeah. It's $41, and look at that. It's behaving beautifully. See that? That's XLM. That's Ripple. That is Ripple's competitor. That's Ripple's biggest competitor. Look, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just get that. Buy that. Why do you need to try and do Ripple? Ripple got all sorts of shit going on, and you don't want to get caught up in it. So if I was you, I would just concentrate on other opportunities out there. Concentrate on other opportunities, and just worry about them. If you had loads of money right now, yeah, take a little gamble on Ripple. But when you're just trying to get up, when you're trying to get from 5 figures to 6 figures, don't bother. Just bet on something that's a sure thing. That's what you want to do. Bet on sure things. Don't try and take gamble because you just end up stressed out. You just end up stressed out. Don't trade that. Don't trade Doji. All these little silly coins, just forget about them. The most solid coins that you can invest in right now and just get decent gains is DOT. DOT is a good one. Look at DOT. It doesn't even pull back. It just goes up. Look at DOT. Beautiful. DOT just goes like that. That's what it does. That's what you want to be in. Something like DOT. When you get in all these other coins, they just end up, they do stupid stuff like this. So yeah, that's what I'd advise. I'd advise you all to use your heads. Don't get gassed up. I'm here for I love the technology and stuff, but I'm here to make money first and foremost, and I want to take as little risk as possible. So I'm not interested in anything that's not 100%. Look, this is an exchange. Sushi. Look, Look how sushi's moving. Look, it just goes up. That's what it does. It just goes straight up. No messing about. Do you know what I'm saying? So these are the projects that you should probably be in. You don't need to worry about anything that's not 100% on the right side, you know? What else, Joe? What else we got going on?
Nah, not much. So US opened now. Let's see what's happened. Yeah, not much. Rune's still at 478. So yeah, I want to get in that, but I think it's a bit high for a futures trade. If I were to like just put some money in a spot position, I would have done that now. But I would have liked to seen like maybe it drop like to 4.5 or something like that. But I don't think I'm gonna get that today. Not that lucky.
What to get in Rune?
Yeah.
What happened to let's have a look at it was Reef. I was looking at Reef the other day, so I know. Yeah.
Reef actually was bleeding a lot, I think.
Yeah. Do you know what it is? The more obviously all these coins are DeFi, yeah, they're all DeFi. All the coins that have got the most potential for growth have also got the most volatile. So you look at coins that you think we're gonna go crazy, like Curve, Ocean, RSR. All these coins, they're the ones that pull back 40%. But then we get the solid ones, yeah, the solid tokens that are like DOT, Ethereum, they only pull back 20%, you know?
Yeah.
So that's what's going on. That's what's going on.
Anyone have any questions? Because I don't have like a lot to talk about today, but so.
No, there's nothing. We're pretty much done here. Yeah, guys, what was I going to say? Also, so the weekend, I don't know, I've mentioned it before, but me and Joe, we developed crypto robots. So we develop robots. What they do is that you can either make it trade for dollars, which probably isn't the best idea at the moment because the market's bullish. So you're better off just holding crypto. What I do and what Joe does is we trade for Ethereum and Bitcoin and BNB. So let's say you hold 10 Ethereum. The market trades, the robot trades against pairs against Ethereum. So it will trade Dent Ethereum, ZIL Ethereum, ZRX Ethereum, whatever else Ethereum, yeah, VET Ethereum. And what it does is it compounds Ethereum. So if you start with 10, this week I made over 10% ETH, right?
Yeah, 10% ETH.
I made over that. I made over 10%
over
ETH.
that.
Yeah. So if you had 10 ETH Ethereum on, I don't know, Friday, today you would have over 11 Ethereum. So what it does is it compounds Ethereum. It made 10% this week. Last week, I think it made like 5-6%. So it's really, really good. And you can literally, if you're making 10% Ether a week, your 10 ETH can literally turn to like 50 Ethereum.
Yeah.
But by the end of the year, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take 10 Ethereum to like 50 by the end of the year if you compound it. So anyone who wants to use that, just message us. The link for the Discord's in the description. So click on the Discord; it's free. We trade it where we share trade ideas in there, setups, all that type of stuff. Yeah, and that's it. Make sure you like the video as well, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah.
Yes. All right.
But yeah, next time you don't see me, guys, I'm gonna go to the barber, get a nice little shave.
I think that's about time.
Yeah, man, I need to, bro. I've been locked down. I had a hot haircut for like 2 months. Mental. All right, guys. I'll see you. Should we wrap it up, Joe? Yeah.
Yeah, let's do one on Friday or something.
Yeah. What day is it today? Is it not better at the weekend?
Yeah, Friday or the weekend. Let's see.
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do one. Yeah, we'll do one either Friday or we do it on a Sunday or something like that. Yeah.
Yes, perfect.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah.
Thanks, bye.